Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to download the Spectrum TV application on Fire TV in 2026. So once installed, you can stream live TV, movies, shows directly on your TV without a cable box. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to turn on your Fire TV and you need to come here on the home page of it. Now over here, simply click on this find option. After that, in the search bar, you need to simply search for Spectrum TV. So for this, you can use the keyboard or voice search. Now when the Spectrum TV app appears, you just have to simply select it. Over here, you are going to see the install or the download button. So you just have to simply click on it. As soon as you click on it, it will take some time in order to basically install the Spectrum TV application on your Fire TV sticks. So once it is installed successfully, instead of install, you are going to see an open button. So after clicking on that open button, you just have to sign in into your Spectrum account with the help of your Spectrum username and password. So when you sign in, the app will load and your channels, you can basically start watching them immediately. If you don't see the app in the search bar, you can first of all restart your Fire TV and try again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.